Imagine having a car designed around your needs and desires. A connected car that interacts with the wider world and makes your life easier and more enjoyable. This is the all-new Volvo XC90. At Volvo, we pride ourselves in creating a comfortable environment that helps our drivers get the most from their car and from their life. High design, natural materials and thoughtful craftsmanship are in our blood. The new Sensor's in-car experience is a perfect example of this. By eliminating complexity, Volvo is taking intuitive interaction to a higher level. Volvo combines voice and steering wheel controls, head-up display, and a large portrait touchscreen to create a natural, adaptive, and above all safe interface. With an endless supply of great music available through onboard streaming applications, the new Bowers & Wilkins premium sound system will breathe life into your favorite music. Volvo delivers a unique experience inside the all-new XC90.